contestant is 58-year-old Terry Smith. This looks like a job for Jill.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a traffic officer for the city of Los Angeles.
So wait a minute. You give tickets?
I give tickets when you make me.
Do you have any friends, Terry?
Terry Smith going from hero to zero. Let's see how he handles the 4 big balls we've parked in his path.
Uh-oh, John. Could it be?
Yep, he's motivated. Hey, what? No one's ever survived a motivator attack. And Terry, the traffic cop, now going for the 3rd and the 4th. He's made it, John. He's gone where no man's ever gone before. What kind of training are they doing for traffic cops these days? I don't know. I think we're looking at one of those new robo-traffic cops. They have those? Yeah. And this one's getting the circuitry beat out of it. Oh, finally down, John. All right, the trampoline hurdle's not letting Terry double park and finally towing him over the edge. But he's still on pace for a great time with one more obstacle to go. Oh, a little slip there, but he's on. And John, I think only a robo-traffic cop can make this leap.
This meter has expired.
Well, Jill, Terry Smith still riding his own ticket to the top 12. With a time of 3:51, he'll be moving on to the